Hello friends, I'm going to prepare a healthy vegetable soup.
Ingredients: beetle leaf 1, long pepper leaf 1, insulin leaves 2, curry leaves 3 strings, Indravalli leaves half fistful, Shankapushpi leaves 3 to 5 strings, B complex leaves a fistful. All these leaves are washed thoroughly and cut into small pieces. Then put into a mixie jar and ground it into a fine paste using little bit of water. This prepared paste is filtered with a fine coal poured and green juice is extracted. The extracted green juice is kept aside. A masala is prepared using following ingredients: curry leaves 2 strings, 8 to 10 garlic pods, half tablespoonful peppercorns, 1 ts of cumin seeds, 1 ts of soap, and a medium sized tomato cut into small pieces. All these ingredients taken in a mixie jar, ground into a fine paste. This paste is added to the green juice which is already prepared and mixed well. Add 1 tablespoonful of turmeric powder, red chili powder as per the taste, and salt for the taste. And mix the ingredients well. Keep the solution for boiling. Solution is boiled till all the raw smell goes off. Once the raw smell goes off, filter the solution once again and take out the clear solution. And keep once again for boiling for about 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, add quarter ts of hing and mix well. After that, take out from the stove. This soup is served along with the lemon juice. It's a very healthy and tasty soup. I promise about the health benefits, but taste goes with the personal choice. When something is good for our health, taste becomes ignorable matter, as it contains green leaves which are rich in antioxidants and helps to reduce the cholesterol and sugar level in the body. And as it is having pepper and turmeric in good quantity and also enriched with a beetle leaf, it helps to reduce cough and cold. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my preparation, please subscribe to my channel.